Good morning, children. We discussed already up to exercise third in this chapter. So now we are going to discuss about multiplication of integers. Multiplication of integers. Look at multiplication of integers. So multiplication of integers. So for example, 4 into 3. 4 into 3. So 4 is a integer, 3 is also integer. 4 is a 4 into 3, nothing but so how many times multiply by 3? 4 times. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. How many times multiply by 3? 4 times. So 4 3 is a 12. 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 3 12. Both are equal. When we are represent these numbers on the number line, you can observe there we are taking positive term right of the 0 and we are taking left side of the negative numbers the 0. So complete. Look there. So how can we locate 4 into 3 on the number line? How can we locate 4 into 3 on the number line? Look there. First we are starting from 0. Why? Because there is a multiplication. So we are taking only 3. How many times? So 4 times. First we are take 3. First 3. So we are counting from 0. 1 2 3. One time completed into one time completed, another time. So another 3 also taking 1 2 3. 3 times completed and one more 3. Third time 1 2 3. 3 times completed and also last fourth time. Fourth time you can observe that 1 2 3 into 4. 3 multiply by 4 times will be get 12. So number line is also we are going to from here to there 12. So when we are multiply by 4 and the number line we got 12. So 3 into 4 is equal to 12. So students, so we are going to discuss some activity. Look there. Thus every time if we multiply two negative integer, the product is always a positive. So for example look there, you know already some conditions. Plus into plus, plus, minus into minus will be plus, minus into plus will be minus, plus into minus will be minus. When we are multiply any two positive or any negative will be get positive. If any multiply of two positive or two negative will be get positive. If any multiply of any one negative or positive will be get negative. Any one positive or negative will be get positive. Everyone should remember these conditions. And also you can observe there we showed already these type of activities. Look there. For example, rows and columns are given there. So this symbol nothing but into. So you can take this cell. So you can take this cell, which is the column? 3 column. This is also row. So 3 3 is a 9. So we are taking this cell. When we are taking this cell, which one multiply there? So 2 into 3 6 and 1 into 3 3, 0 into 3 0, minus 1 into 3. We discussed already both are plus. This is the positive, this is also positive. Will be get answer positive. So 9. This is also positive, this is also positive. Positive into positive, getting answer positive. Positive into positive, getting answer positive. Positive into positive, positive into positive, getting answer positive. But this is the negative term, this is the positive term. You can observe that this is the negative term, positive term. What we getting? Negative. So answer will be get negative. So 1 3 is a 3. And one more is there. This is the negative, this is the positive. 1 negative into positive. Answer will get negative. 2 3 is a 6. And this is the negative, this is the negative, positive. Negative into positive. Negative. And 3 3 is a 9. I hope to understand this activity, and also you can do this activity and send on the WhatsApp. Next, you can observe there this activity already done some solution on the table. Remaining you can do it and send on the WhatsApp. Look there. So some questions also given there. Look, is the product of two positive integer always is a positive? Is it correct? Look there, already we discussed if, what is that asking there? Product of any two positive integers always positive. Yes, it is correct. Any two positive integer, product of any two positive will be get positive. So that is the correct answer. Next, second one. Is the product of two negative integers always a positive? Yes, it is also correct. So we discussed already. Any two negative integers always positive. Next, another one. What is that? Is the product of negative and positive integer always a negative integer? Yes, it is also correct. We discussed already. Any negative and positive, product of any negative and positive will be negative. Any product of any positive and negative will be get negative. So next, so you can observe the exercise 4. Exercise 4 also some problems given there. Fill in the blanks. For what is that first? Minus 100 into minus 6, that is equal to how much? You can observe the minus into minus. So we have some conditions already. This is a negative term, this is also negative term. You can observe the negative and negative, positive, negative and negative, negative into negative. Any product of any two negative number will be get positive. So 106 is 600. So second one, what is that? You can observe that there is a given minus 3 into something given there, that is equal to 3. Which number to multiply will with minus 3 will be get 3? Which that? We are taking here someone. This someone multiply with minus 3 will be get 3. Which is that number? You can observe there. So if we take plus, minus into plus, minus, but answer not getting minus. So that's why it is a minus. Minus into minus product of any two negative number will be get positive. We are giving positive, so that's why this is also negative. So find it, that one. Next, which number to multiply with 3 will be get 3. So 3 ones are 3. Minus into minus plus 1 3 is a 3. So answer will be get. Look. So remaining problems you can do it, and also find the second bit also. So thank you.